it so dark up here? Let me try this color. Ooh. I feel like I've been on my eyes for like 5 hours. I look a hot mess. Guess I should put that on there first. I guess that's gonna make it darker. People online make this look so easy. What's gonna happen if I put this up here? This must be a really cheap eyeshadow palette because it's not doing nothing for me. I feel like no color is even coming up on this shit. Oh, it might be. I think I learned how to correct some stuff over here. I have to learn like the shape of my eye or something. What the hell is that? I need to figure out the shape of my damn eye, and that will help me out in my life. Now I got mismatched eyes because my butt done put on 10,000 colors. I have to learn how to do dark shadow without like making me look a foolly Wayne. Just don't put this shit on here. I won't stop until we find the way to love. I gotta find you. So basically, I don't know what the hell I'm doing, but I'm trying to figure it out. So I just used my concealer for my eyes. Then I came in with this blue right here because I wanted some blue eyeshadow. And then I put it all on my damn eyes and messed it up, as you can see. But it kind of looks like it's kind of faded with green and stuff. I don't know what the hell I'm doing, y'all. So I need y'all to comment down below, because this is what people who don't know how to do eyeshadow and makeup do. We literally just pack shit on our eyes and just kind of hope for the best. So yeah, I've been doing this for about an hour, and this is the look I come up with. So I realized that I put too much of the blue out on my eye for no damn reason. Now I also realized why people put the tape right there so stuff won't be all over the place. And I also realized why people use different types of brushes as well. I'm realizing it all now, and this is what you have to realize when you're first learning makeup. So this is very frustrating. It's very, very frustrating, but at the end of the day, I gotta learn. I guess I just wanted to show this to let you all see, like new beginners, that you're not the only one to get frustrated. And then to remind like the beauty gurus, you were once in our shoes, not knowing what the hell to do. And the thing that I'm realizing, because I'm pretty good at teaching myself stuff, is I can usually look at it and get it, but I don't know, like I'm having a little harder time with the makeup than I thought I would, period. Because it's different having to actually do this crap versus like watching it. You feel like, oh yeah, hey, I can do that, that's easy, until you try to do it, and then you come out looking like this, looking like me. So yeah, I'm trying to figure out what the hell this look is going to be. I guess that's okay, but it's not blended, but it's okay. So I really don't know about the brushes. I mean, I got the crease brush and the foundation brush and all that other stuff, but I'm like, what's the point of using it? And then I try to use one brush for my whole look, and I'm like, this shit here is not going well for me. I look like a damn fooly Wayne is what I look like. So I'm gonna take a little bit of brown, because for some reason brown, I like earth tones. Smoke it out here and smoke it out with this brown here. And I don't know if that looks right, but it's gonna look right today. This is all I got. Look, this is all I got today. That's what I did. A peacock with Cancer. But let me tell you, this is what I normally do every day. Like, I tear my eyes to pieces trying to learn what the hell I'm doing. So I'll have a vision in my mind and it don't come out looking like that, y'all. I just kind of hope for the best with these damn eyes. So I'm just gonna put my foundation on, and this is darker than my skin. And the reason why it's darker than my skin is because for the longest I was like comparing my skin tone to my hand, and then just kind of trying to learn trial and error that, girl, that's too dark for you right now, or if it's too dark for you, it's still gonna work right now. You don't really understand the importance of this stuff until you take a picture and that picture makes you be like, what, child? No. So this is actually, it was like my tone in the summertime. And I didn't realize that, like, what's the point of getting all these different, like, concealers and foundations and stuff? Why don't you work one concealer in, honey, and one foundation? You only need one foundation. Why is everybody buying all this foundation for? You get one foundation to match your skin, and you call it a day. Call it a day. Now, it's probably time for me to get another foundation. And by the time that I honestly get another foundation, honey, it's gonna be time for me to go back to this one. I don't really know about all the, you know, I know about the brands, the MAC and the Maybelline and the Fit Me's and stuff like that. I never really liked wearing makeup and stuff in the first place, and I'm just now getting into makeup and trying to learn how to do it myself. So I thought that it was important for me to post these type of series on my page, because although makeup is very big right now in the YouTube land, and everybody is trying to be makeup artists or kind of already hit that stage of being a makeup artist or whatever, nobody wants to show the real when you're actually learning how to do it. Everybody sees all the pros doing things, but you don't see the beginning stages of it. You know, you don't see the ugly sides of it. You don't get people that's going to admit, like, I don't know what the hell I'm doing. But I'm gonna admit it, I don't know what the hell I'm doing, and 9 times out of 10 I just slap some shit on and pray to God that it work out the way that it needs to work out. And I'm just saying, in my behalf, and I'm not speaking for everybody else, but I'm going to show my journey of what I struggle with learning makeup and anything else, and that goes for wigs and all that type of stuff. So I just put this foundation on, and like I said, I didn't know the importance of foundation whatsoever. I didn't understand why people had different shades during different seasons. I didn't know that, of course, duh, in the wintertime you tend to not be in the sun is not out as much, you're not outdoors as much, so you're not tanning, so you end up getting your you know, light, and your natural tone comes back. And then in the summertime everybody is out and kicking it, laughing, going to the beaches and things, so then you get your tans and your bronzes and your sun-kissed on. It's the middle of winter and I am using my summer foundation shade, okay, because I refused to go and get another foundation. But now I understand why it's important to get a foundation that fits your skin based off of the seasons. Now, another thing that I didn't realize is the type of foundation. I have dry skin, so there's foundation for oily skin and there's foundation for dry skin. I didn't understand that. Now I understand why. Lastly, with foundation that I've realized, and of course I'm going to learn as I go, but lastly what I realized with foundation is the coverage. I can understand why people want specific type of foundation, because some like light coverage, some like full coverage. I myself like full coverage, so I don't have to pack a lot of stuff on my face just to try and hide blemishes or color correctors and things of that sort. How long lasting it is and all that mumbo jumbo. Like, my favorite thing out of makeup is literally just the highlighting. I promise, like, if I didn't have to do anything else but highlight my face, that is what I would do, just because I love the highlighting part. It is just vibrant, honey, and it brings it all together, and honey, it just brings it to life. And I didn't realize how important it is to get the right shade, and I didn't understand the flashback. Oh baby, y'all, if I could find that video, if I could find that picture of years ago when I first started learning how to highlight my face, highlight and contour. Like, I don't really care for the contour part. I don't care about the, you know, the dark parts of contouring. I just like this. Like, if this was a thing, baby, I will go outside. Okay, parts of contouring. I just like this. Like, if this was a thing, baby, I will go outside. Okay, this is my favorite part. This LA Girl Pro Concealer that will always be forever in a day's like staple and day one. No matter who you talk to on here, I feel like they wouldn't have a problem if they have to go back to this concealer. Yeah, I had to learn the hard way when it came down to the flashback. And that is, if you don't know what the flashback is is when you are taking a picture with the flash on and you start looking real Casperish. Smoky. What is smoky? Smoky's not even, what's that, the hood's ghost? What's that, the hood's ghost? Smoky. That's what it is. The hood's ghost. So when you take that picture and you start to look like Smoky, the hood goes. You know, that's flashback. Truly, when I'm sure when I get the hang of this, then I'm going to be amazeballs. But even the pros, they all do their makeup and stuff differently. We all have different YouTubers that we like watching, that we like the outcome of their faces. So it's a learning experience. I can't even believe that I done got into makeup, period. Like, makeup is just, was not my thing. You can give me a good pair of lashes and some lip gloss and I was fine. Like, that was me. And then I got into modeling and stuff, honey, and I just got exposed to all types of makeup, and I left that to them to do my makeup. You know, I didn't want to do it. I just wanted to like look pretty. Now I want to do it. Lashes. Speaking of lashes, lashes are my favorite thing in the world besides highlighting. I have big eyes, so if I could find some really pretty lashes, then your girl is extremely happy. Speaking of lashes, I didn't understand that these musks can really pull your hair out. They're also the reason why I don't have no real eyelashes, because, you know, I go against the grain. And I guess I learned that pretty soon too, of why you don't use hair glue on your lashes. But ever since I've known about lashes, I've used hair glue. So what am I still using? Hair glue. Why am I bald headed on the eyes? Hair glue. I'm gonna learn better one day. And this is my mirror, guys, so that's what I'm looking at, my mirror. But one day I am going to do better with these lashes. Now, you know it's something serious when you gotta be quiet and concentrate. Yeah, y'all gotta put these lashes on 1,000 times. I don't know, pretty much a pro at the lashes. I ain't a pro at nothing else, but I know I can put some lashes on, I believe. At least I thought I could, honey. These lashes are bent up, honey, because I done slept in these things. I'm trying to use this natural lighting because I see everybody else's little videos all pretty and stuff from natural lighting, and it's sometimes a pain in the butt to have to go and I always set up the lighting. So I do realize though, you got to be on the time crunch with this natural lighting too, especially since the time the sun goes down faster. My lashes pretty much, to me, is what saves the day. You know, it just gives you that finishing look. So here's how I butchered my eyes today. Y'all have to let me know what I'm doing wrong. Y'all gotta teach me how to do these damn eyeshadows because I suck at them. I'm going to get them eventually, but I suck at them right now. So put some liner on because my skin tone is funny when it comes down to nude. My babe does not like nudes whatsoever on me. My babe likes this same color from ColourPop. So if I'm ever asking like, babe, what color lipstick should I wear? The same one. You already know what I'm gonna say. And I'm just like, oh, it's always the same one. I get a little paranoid about it myself, but I like the pink nudes. But yeah, that's okay for now. All right. So I have to already do this review on this week, so I'm just gonna like try to make it look like something, y'all. I've been having it for a while, but I'm just now being able to get around to doing the review on it. And it is the Coral, Sassy H Coral. We're gonna try to change this thing into something. So like, what is this supposed to do is what I'm trying to figure out. I don't know what the hell this is supposed to be doing. But now I had to take my little background back down because it's bootleg and I didn't feel like doing nothing to it. But y'all, I don't know what the hell to do to this hair. Like, I don't have not one clue what I'm supposed to be doing with this hair, like, at all. I'm about to comb all the damn curls out this thing. It's like a little cute little, let me do something to this. This is a wig that was sent to me by Siri Sis, and yeah, so I'm going to do this wig review on this hair. The color is bomb though, I will say that. It's not my typical, but it's still bomb enough. So anyway, this is the finishing look of me not knowing how to do my damn makeup, me not knowing what the hell I'm doing. Give you the look, girl. I didn't take a picture of like before I started. I started and I looked a hot ass mess, and I look a little decent, a little Marilyn Monroe-ish today. That'll be a cute picture. This is how beginners in makeup think. We don't know what the hell we're doing. We're trying to watch you all and it looks so easy, but the shit is not easy whatsoever. So if you are a beginner in makeup like me, please like, comment, subscribe. Comment down below and let me know what you struggle with. Comment down below and let me know what has made things easier for you, the techniques that you have learned, how long did it take for you to learn how to do makeup and eyeshadow and all this other stuff. And if you have any funny stories or anything to share on how you learned the importance of each item, such as the mascara or such as the concealer or the highlighter or the foundation or anything that I've been saying while and rambling while I'm trying to get my damn face together for this video, then make sure you comment down below and let me know some of your stories on how you learn how to do makeup, and give me a little bit of hope, y'all, because baby, I got wanted to throw this camera and all the products that I just put on my face, like I didn't want to scrub my skin off my face because I'm frustrated and learning how to beat this face. But I am not gonna give up. I'm not gonna stop, and I will be able to look back on this video and say those were the days that I don't miss when learning how to do makeup. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you turn on that notification button so you are aware of all the great things that I have stored for you next. And if you have any type of videos that you would like to see on my channel, please make sure you comment that down below, and I will make sure that I get that up for you. In the meantime, in between time, you know I love you, I love you, I love you. Make sure you share this video to let everyone know that we love wigs and learning how to do makeup. Not yet, but we will get there soon. But thanks so much for watching, guys. Please make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification button. I am going to be on YouTube full time, so it won't be possible without you guys. Mwah.